Welcome to the Trailer Docking and Release training video. This process, also known as TDR, is the series of safety inspections and preventative measures that we take to ensure employee safety while working on our docks and within our trailers. Whenever we have a trailer to unload, it is important that we do a safety inspection on the condition of the trailer, put measures in place which remove the opportunity for a safety incident to occur, and create a clear communication loop between truck drivers and operations that helps to ensure that we don't create a safety incident due to miscommunication. Equipment and tools. Let's start by reviewing the different components of a tractor-trailer that you will need to be familiar with. First is the tractor or truck. This is the vehicle that connects to and transports the trailer. Next, we have the trailer, which is the long storage container that connects to the tractor and holds all of the product that is transported. The front of the trailer, which has the air brake hoses, is called the nose of the trailer. The back of the trailer, where the door is located, is called the tail. The trailer is the piece of equipment employees will interact with and spend the most time working in. When performing TDR inspections, you will be most concerned with the condition of the trailer, its wheels, and its landing gear. The landing gear is the set of metal support beams underneath the trailer that provide stability to the trailer when it is parked. Now let's review the tools you will need to use to perform the TDR process. The first tools we will review are those that are used specifically to mitigate safety incidents on the dock. This includes the glad hand lock, wheel chock, safety vest, gloves, and goggles. First, we will talk about the glad hand lock. This device, also known as an air brake lock or trailer lock, is used to prevent a driver from hooking a tractor up to a trailer and being able to drive off with it. This will ensure that a driver does not mistakenly connect to and drive off with a trailer while employees are still working in it. A glad lock must always be put in place before employees enter a trailer. The next tool we will discuss is the wheel chock. This is a device used to prevent the movement or rolling of a trailer during loading, unloading, or while it is parked. It is typically made of durable materials such as rubber, metal, or hard plastic, and usually shaped into a triangular wedge that is placed directly under a wheel. The main purpose of a wheel chock is to provide stability and prevent the trailer from rolling, which can pose safety hazards to personnel and equipment. When properly positioned, the chock effectively wedges against the trailer's wheels, immobilizing them and preventing any potential rolling or shifting. Next, we will discuss personal protective equipment that needs to be worn when working on the dock or in the trailer yard. First, we will discuss your high visibility safety vest. These vests must be worn every time you enter the trailer yard to make you more visible to drivers. Just as well, if you are unloading a trailer, you can wear gloves and goggles to help prevent injuries to your hands and eyes as debris shifts in the trailer. Other optional pieces of PPE would include hearing protection such as earplugs and respiratory protection such as N95 masks. Although not required, these pieces of PPE are available for employees to use in the event that there is excessively loud noise near the work area or air contaminants such as dust and debris, which could exacerbate breathing problems. Lastly, we will discuss the administrative tools needed to perform the process. Each time we complete a TDR inspection, we will record the results in the Typeform website. This website will be accessed via tablet and is used to answer a series of safety-related questions that gauge if the trailer is safe to enter. In addition to the tablet, every dock door will have a clipboard next to it with signs that are red on one side and green on the other. These clipboard signs indicate whether the TDR process has been completed and if the trailer is safe to enter. Red indicates TDR has not been completed and employees should not enter the trailer, while green indicates that the process is both complete and the trailer is now deemed safe to enter. Check-in procedures. Drivers will arrive with trailers to park on our docks throughout the day. The purpose of the TDR process is to evaluate the safety of each trailer that arrives prior to allowing employees to enter and work inside it. Once a trailer has been parked on a dock door, the TDR employee will ensure that the trailer is evenly and squarely backed into the loading dock with no excessive gaps present between the dock wall and the trailer wall. From there, you will log into the Typeform website and begin a new TDR inspection form. In the form, you will fill out information including your name, what location, dock door, load ID, and trailer number you are working on. Next, you will be prompted to check if the air lines have been disconnected from the trailer. If those hoses are disengaged, the next step is to apply the glad lock so that the hoses cannot be reconnected until operations has communicated that they are done working in the trailer. Once the glad lock is applied, you will then check the landing gear of the trailer. If it's not already lowered, you will lower the landing gear into place and inspect it for damage. Any sign of damage should be escalated to management for further instruction, and nobody should enter the trailer. If there is no damage, you will then place the wheel chock under the wheels to help prevent the trailer from moving. Once these steps are complete, you will move back inside the warehouse and check to ensure that the dock door is open. Once you've opened the dock door, you will then engage the dock plate. This creates a bridge between the building and the trailer so that employees can safely enter without the risk of a tripping hazard. Make sure that the dock plate is placed securely onto the floor of the trailer before proceeding. Report any issues with a malfunctioning or damaged dock plate and refrain from using that dock door should there be a problem with the plate. Once this step is completed, the safety inspection is complete. At this point, you will flip the entry signage from the red "Do Not Enter" to the green "TDR Complete" sign. Release procedures. When releasing a docked trailer, the first action to take will be an inspection of the trailer to ensure all trash and debris is cleared. Next, you will move on to disengaging the dock plate. Once the dock plate is disengaged, you will need to close and latch the dock door. Now you will head out to the trailer yard to collect the safety equipment you set in place. Remove the wheel chock and glad hand lock from the trailer and place them back in their assigned storage locations inside the warehouse. Inform the driver that they are cleared to hook the tractor up to the trailer, and you have completed the release procedures. The TDR inspection is a critical process to help keep employees safe when working inside of our trailers. Always ensure to escalate safety issues to leadership before allowing anyone into the trailer, and make sure we are thorough and accurate with each inspection to ensure a safe working environment for our employees.